Hey yo, it's Jane and Joe. How's it going, y'all? It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video. So y'all can see from the other videos, this is, I'm doing it straight from the garage and kind of like this little 8-ball wall design here. My brother bought it before, but he hasn't been using it, and I saw it while I was cleaning up the garage. Anyway, completely irrelevant from the topic of today's video, which is pretty much the unboxing slash not really unboxing of the new shaft that I got. If y'all have been tuning in, I did a unboxing with a carbon fiber shaft from Bull. And so yeah, just a quick backstory. So, you know, I've been playing with that shaft for almost a year now. And for the past month or so, I think last month, I shot with a Jacoby Black shaft that one of my pool league team members played with. And yo, it just felt so full when I shoot, you know what I mean? Like Bull shaft was very, I don't know if this will make sense, but hollow per se. And now when I shoot with the Jacoby Black, it was super full, and like, I don't know if that will make sense to you, but that's just how I felt. Unboxing slash semi-unboxing, because I already played with it for a while, but I just never made a video. But yeah, the packaging came from Pool Dog. I bought it from Pool Dog, and came like this, well packaged. I didn't want to show you the other side since he has my address and stuff. Came in this the shaft came in this tube, obviously from Jacoby. I don't know if that'll be clear. Yeah, it was the Jacoby Black 12.3 diameter millimeters, I guess, with a Kamui 10 and a clear soft tip. And it's a 5/16 by 18, 5 by 16, 18. And it's the 29 inch. Original price was $475. I think I got it at Pool Dog for like $407. They had a sale going on, and I used like a 5% discount code. And yeah, so let me show you that shaft now. All right, so finally took out the shaft out of the bag. It's right here. Obviously, it looks the same as the Bull carbon fiber shaft, but I don't know if y'all can see. It's clear right there, like in between, like I guess that's the ferrule. In between the ferrule and the tip, there's like a little clear piece, and then there's like another black piece on top. I'm not really familiar with like the pool sticks, what makes up a pool stick, so yeah, just ignore that. There we go. And then that's the pin. I got like a pin for it, but there's like a little Jacoby Black design here. I don't know if y'all can see that on the screen. 12.3. It says 12.3.3.2. And so yeah, I've been playing with this stick for about, let's say, a month, less than a month. Main thing that I noticed is I feel more in control with the way that I shoot, and it doesn't feel like so when I was shooting with like the Bull carbon fiber shaft, I felt like my stroke was just like take over, which is kind of good, but at the same time it's like sometimes I would be doing too much. With this, it does the complete opposite. Like I feel like I'm more controlled with my stroke, if that makes sense. I'm more controlled with my stroke, and it just feels full, man, like I said. And I need to fix the tip, but yeah, I just feel more controlled. I keep repeating that because that's really, I can tell, that's the only difference I can tell. Like when I first shot with it, that's the first thing that I noticed was it felt so full when I shot. And I mean, shoot, it's just a carbon fiber shaft pretty much. Like I said in my other video, I just like the carbon fiber shaft because of the color. Like it's black, you know what I'm saying? And I just like my pool stick to look cool, so. But you know, yeah, it got all this other stuff that people talk about, like the low deflection or whatever, but I don't really care about that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I've shot with it for a month, and I would say, has my game improved? I mean, my technique has improved, so I don't think I'll blame the stick for it, but I do, like I said, feel more control. So if you feel like you're a player out there who's just like me, who's very like, always want to use English even though it's unnecessary. I'm still working on that, by the way. That's why, you know, that's one of the things I'm working on right now to become a better player. But if you like your stroke, I would say go for the Bull shaft. If you go with this, more controlled feel, not doing too much with the ball. I feel like this is the perfect shaft for you, honestly. And you know, you might have a different experience than me, but I'm just here to explain what my experiences are, and that's pretty much it. So, hey, thank y'all so much, man. If you've watched a lot of my videos, I appreciate y'all. Really means a lot, especially going from like 0 to like 100 subscribers. And you know, I know that most of it didn't come from pool, but you know, I've gained a lot of following ever since I started uploading pool videos and just my life experiences. And appreciate y'all for real. Like, it's just nice to see those numbers go up, even though it's not much. But so don't worry though, like, I'm gonna be the best pool player that I can be, and you know, who knows where that will take me. You know what I'm saying? But just gotta keep in mind that, you know, I want to be the best ever. You know, just gotta keep that in my head, your head, whatever you're pursuing. Yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, and definitely, you know, you only know what you know, right? So like, I didn't know certain shafts hit differently. You know what I mean? Of course, I heard it. I played with a wood shaft before, played with my own carbon fiber shaft, so it does make a difference. But even with carbon fiber shafts, like, I was kind of shocked to kind of just see the difference of the feel. I know that they were made differently by different manufacturers, so, you know, but just me being able to experience it firsthand, like shooting with the Bull and shooting with a Jacoby. But anyways, thank y'all for watching, and keep pursuing your dreams, keep getting better at something, progress at something, you know what I mean? That's, live a purposeful life. You hear me? So be limitless. On Betty, and I'm out. Peace.
Produced, mix master, engineer, written by me.